Okay people, so this is my first unboxing video, and for this I have chosen one of the cars which I'm not too sure if I'm in love with the model, but I'm definitely in love with the actual car, the GT2 RS from Porsche, and the yellow. So the model I'll be unboxing is from MiniGT, made in Hong Kong, and I would call it somewhere, I mean it's definitely better than HotWheels, but I won't call it a premium model. The box, it's quite simple. I mean 136, that's how they identify their cars. It does tell you what car it is. It says TSM model, scale miniatures. It's basically a 1/64. Oh yeah, here it's mentioned. It's a 1:64. Same thing, and it's actually licensed by Porsche. You can see their Facebook. I guess they're on Instagram as well. And what else? So, and the good thing is it's for ages 14 plus. So a lot of people, they won't be able to taunt us for actually, buying these things and calling them kids toys. So yeah. And yeah, made in China and True Scale Miniatures Limited, Hong Kong, China. So yeah, like almost everything else, this is also made in China, but let's see how the quality is. So gentlemen, here it is, our Porsche 911 GT2 RS. So far I'm actually quite liking it. It's quite nice. The paintwork, the carbon fiber. Let's start with the underbody. So yeah, it's metal on metal. That's definitely not plastic. It says MiniGT. It doesn't really say what car it is, but then if you're a collector, oh yeah, if you want, you can actually have a look. It says right there, it's a GT2 RS, and wow, that's impressive. So let's start with the front end. The front end is quite impressive, and we can see the daytime running lights. We can see the two air intakes, the headlights. I'm impressed. I mean, just look at those headlights. You can actually see inside them. You can see the detail level is seriously impressive. You can see the bonnet. It's actual, I mean, it might be plastic, but it looks nice. It looks really nice. It does look like carbon fiber. It has got the hood scoops. It has got the fender scoops. It has got a very, very realistic interior to top it off. And the side view mirrors are black like the original car, and we have got a side air vent. The bonnet, it does have the Porsche logo. I'm trying to, oh yeah, focus on it, and the detail level, I'm impressed. For this much, I mean for this price tag, what I got is much more than what I was honestly expecting. So yeah, let me just look at this thing. And so the side profile, quite nice. It does say GT2 RS on the side. The rims, they are quite nice, quite free rotating, and yeah, rubber wheel, I mean yeah, definitely rubber tires and alloy wheels. The rear wheel looks slightly bigger than the front one. Yeah, it is definitely wider. And the arches, the detail level, everything is impressive. Yeah, and it does say RS on at the back. So at the back we have got the signature tailpipes. It does say GT2 RS. It has got the small ducktail thingy and the huge GT2 RS spoiler to top it off. So far I'm loving this model. And what else? So yeah, this is it. And this, oh, it does say RS on the rear windshield as well. That is impressive. That is seriously impressive. And if you can have a look here, it even says Porsche. And carbon fiber, the interior, I cannot show you the interior. I mean, I don't have the right lighting for this. And the rubber tires, I mean, they are quite nice. So yeah, this was my review. Yeah, one more thing I forgot to mention, with the Mini GTs, you can choose if you want a right-hand drive car or if you want a left-hand drive car. So this one, the specific one, is a right-hand drive model. Thank you for watching. Let me try to have some close-ups of this car and let's see if I'm any good at it. So yeah, this is the actual car which we did cover today, and I'm impressed. Just look at that thing.